Hello. In this tutorial we will show you how to use the Auto Merge feature inside the PDF Index Generator program. This feature allows you to write terms in the include category, in form of an equation, to index all the terms corresponding to this equation. Then merge all terms in that equation into a final term, that you specify. Let's see how it works. We have a book, and we want to index the name, Woodrow Wilson, inside that book. Sometimes this name is referenced as W. Wilson, and sometimes it appears as Woodrow only. Normally, if we want to index all those references for such name using an include category, we'd write each name in a separate line, like this. Woodrow Wilson. W. Wilson. And Woodrow. Then let the program index all of them, and in step 3, we would highlight all those names. And click the Merge Words button to merge them all, into a final name. Instead of all those steps, we will write an equation using plus and equal signs, like this, Woodrow Wilson, plus W. Wilson, plus Woodrow. That's the left-hand side of the equation. Then we will write, equals, and set the final name to see in the index here. We will set it to, Wilson, Woodrow. All spaces before or after the plus and equal signs will be ignored, so do not worry about any extra spaces. Notice that you can add as many terms to merge here as you want, using a plus sign between each two terms. The equation must have at least one plus sign, and one equal sign, for the program to recognize this line as an equation. But what if our equation only has one term? For example, we want to index President Kennedy in the book, and we want to set it to Kennedy, John, in the final index. We would write the equation like this. President Kennedy equals Kennedy, John. Since there is no plus sign here, the program won't be able to grasp the equation, so instead, we can repeat the same term at the left-hand side to add a plus sign, like this. President Kennedy, plus President Kennedy, again, equals Kennedy, John. When the program sees the term written twice like that, it will index that name only, and set it to this one in the final index. Let's test indexing our book, using this equation. We will save the category. And click, Generate Index. Done. Let's check the results in step 3. The program has successfully indexed all terms at the left-hand side of our two equations, merged the terms, and set them to the final terms as you can see here. That has saved some effort and time. One last thing to explain about the auto merge equations. Sometimes we might need to index two or more terms, if and only if they exist in the same page in the book. For example, we'd like to index the two words Austrian and war inside our book, if they appear in the same page only. To do that, let's reopen the include category once again. Click Tools, Settings, Include Words. Select the include category, and click Edit. Let's add our new equation. Austrian plus war equals Austrian war. But we will tweak this equation, by adding those two words inside parentheses, like this. Thus, if and only if the program locates the words inside the parenthesis on the same page, it will list the page number for this term. Let's save this include category, click OK. And click back to move to step 2. Then generate the index once again. Done. The program has found two pages inside the book, where the two words Austrian and war appear together. We hope we've given you a good start to using the auto merge feature. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you.